Salimata Usia guys, Sunga, brah. Sully, do you even know what that means? Yeah, Sully, it means hi, doesn't it? No. Oh, sorry, my bad, Jeffy.
I got a new one for you. I like the way that sounds. I'm about to do it for you. I like to break it down. This joint has got me open. Ooh, that's my favorite.
Almost forgot to wipe my ass.
Oh yeah, I am. Does that mean you guys like live in coconut trees? Wait, you're Australian, eh? Oh yeah, I am. Oh yeah. That means you guys like shit at kangaroos, eh? It's a stereotype, bro.
Get up! What, man? Get out there and ask them if they want a cup of tea. Now! Mom, why didn't you go ask? Okay, I'll do it. No! Get out! Get out! What? What you gonna say? Oh, what you gonna say?
Hey, hurry up, give me your hand, fuck up eh. Hurry up. Hey, naman ni kanga plastic, mali foil. Say yoy, let go of the trunk. Fuck up eh. Oh, come on, ni man me ay. Hurry up. Fia ay mami. Oh, hurry up.
We're still at the airport, kicking back, and there's a cop coming. There's a policeman coming with a statue. All goes YOLO.
Always look back as I walk away. This memory will last eternity. Your love and tears will be lost in the rain. I found my way back to your arms again. But until that day, you know you are the queen of my heart. So let's take tonight and never let go. Our dancing may seem like there's no tomorrow. Stars sparkling down, got me. I cherish this moment till we meet again. But no matter how far where you may be. Until we meet, I'll always look back as I walk away. This memory will last for eternity. Your love and tears be lost in the rain. Well, I found my way back to your arms again. But until that day, you know you are the queen of my heart. The queen of my heart. The queen of my heart.
We got escorted.